For every kill you get, I'll give you an ooh.
Alright, bet.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
Planted.
Oh, whoop.
Aw, you're adorable.
Appreciate the love, bro.
Hey, gamers! Welcome to HitPaw channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Voice Changer and Soundboard in Valorant. To get started, you'll need to download and install HitPaw Voice Changer. I'll drop the download link in the description so you can snag the latest version. Once you've got it up and running, click the Settings button. Select your microphone and speaker sources from the drop-down menus. Alternatively, click the Detect button to automatically detect and set up your sources. Give it a quick test to ensure you can hear the voice. Testing.
Testing.
Then go to Real-Time Voice Interface. Here, you can change your voice to sound like celebrities, anime characters, and more. Let's pick Eric Cartman's voice for a demo. Keep Hear Myself button so you are enabled to preview sound.
That ma'am, I just wanted you to buy me an iPad, since I don't say the F word now.
Okay, now we go to Soundboard Interface. Add keybinds for the voice effects you want to use. Now, it's time to bring this voice changer into Valorant. Launch the game, go to Settings. In the audio type, click on Voice Chat, choose HitPaw Virtual Audio as the input device. When you speak inside the game, your voice will sound just like the one you chose.
Ultimate ready. Let's make a play for side control.
And you can also use the voice changer in any other games. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you run into any issues with the software, check out our guide video or drop us a comment for assistance. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for tuning in.